everyone, this is Lisa's Oddities, and today I have this beautiful Cork Folio journal cover to share with you all. So ever since learning about how leather is made in factories and how it affects people and the environment, I've been trying to make this switch over to more eco-friendly and sustainable products. And so I came across this thing called cork leather. So it's not really leather, but it's the bark of the cork tree, which comes from places like Portugal, Italy, and other places around there. And so they take the bark from the tree, and it doesn't hurt the tree at all. It actually helps them a lot in their growth. And then they do some things to the cork, and they don't use chemicals or any like crazy kinds of like processing. And then you get this beautiful, beautiful material, and it's just, I like this so much. I took it out of the box yesterday, and I was like, oh my god. So I bought this from a store on Etsy called JumpingPineapple, and she listed this A5 journal cover in the rose gold color, and though it's a beautiful color, I really wanted something in mustard yellow. Like, I keep looking at images of like Chic Sparrow's Allie Brown Joy, or like I think Sojourner also had a yellow leather cover. Some other shops also had like a mustard yellow kind of color, and I just really, really love this color. And so while I was looking through JumpingPineapple's Etsy store, I saw that she had made wallets, the bifold wallets, in this color. And so I sent her a message and I asked her, hey, is it possible if I could get this cover in this color, in this mustard yellow color, and then also have it a little bit wider to fit my journal, because my journal like really expands. And so she worked with me, and I think it was pretty quick. I think since the day that I placed the order, it took her less than a week to make, and then she shipped it out and it came to me within 2 days. That's really cool. So this cover costed $24 plus 11 something for shipping. And this is so cool. Like, I've never owned cork leather before, so this was a huge, I guess, like a surprise for me. The way that it feels isn't really how I imagined that it would feel. It's very smooth in texture, except for like all these like little grooves and indentations, if you can see. And it's got like a very like wood grainy kind of look, which I really like. It's already like distressed and aged, and like it looks like it's already been loved, if that makes any sense. Although if you get this dirty, I think it'll come off really, really easily, because cork is supposed to be water resistant and dirt resistant, lint resistant, and I think it's hypoallergenic as well. And so that's what my journal looks like within the cover. So I took out my notebook so that I could show you guys the inside, and this is what the layout looks like. So here are the slots to put in the notebook. Here is I guess like the logo, and here there is a business card holder, and the cover came with these cute little tags with JumpingPineapple's social media and a little bit of information about Cork. And then there is a pen loop here. This one's small, but that works for me because all my pens are pretty thin. If you buy this journal cover, you can also customize the size of the pen loop if you have a larger pen. And there is a pocket here too. And the inside of this, it feels like just some soft fabric. And then I did notice there is a little bit of, what is this called? When you can see like the material kind of coming undone. But overall, this looks really cool and I really like it. And the stitching is very well done. And then here's a snap closure. So in her shop, this is called, I believe it was called like the journal cover with snap closure. And she was very easy to work with. She pretty much let me customize a lot of things with this folio cover. And I really like it. So you guys should go check out her Etsy shop. And you can also find me on Instagram and on Etsy at Lisa's Oddities. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!